LaMelo's PUMA MB.05 World Tour debuts on August 29, 2025, priced at $125 via PUMA.com and select retailers. This fifth signature sneaker pushes boundaries with a vivid magenta pink upper, layered with metallic silver overlays and breathable mesh underlays. A futuristic crossbody sculptural strap adds visual punch and lockdown support. The design also features sequin-style accents on the tongue and heel, winged logos, and LaMelo's signature one-of-one branding throughout. Underfoot, the outsole stands out with custom traction, molded details, skull iconography at the forefoot, and a bold one-of-one spine graphic. The MB.05 continues LaMelo's streak of expressive, high-performance designs, appealing to hoopers and style seekers alike. A blend of flash, functionality, and personality, this release cements LaMelo's sneaker line as one of the boldest in basketball today.